Now, you understand something very important. In the last videos, we talked about the mistake people make leaving what they have to go and search for something far away. And most times they lose everything in the process. But now the real question is this: if success is really where you are, then why are some people actually succeeding while others are not? Because clearly it's not just about staying, it's about what you do where you are. Here are some lessons I want us to pick from this part. Lesson one: successful people observe what others ignore. Now let's start here. The man who found the diamond did not go anywhere special. He simply paid attention. He noticed something that the other farmer who sold the land to him ignored or would have ignored. That's the difference. Most people are not failing because there is nothing around them. They are failing because they are not paying attention. Two people can walk past the same opportunity. One sees nothing, the other sees value. It's still the same place but different eyes. Lesson two: you must develop yourself where you are. This is something that this book emphasizes strongly. You don't become successful by moving first. You become successful, you become valuable first. Where you are right now is where your development should start, not when things are perfect, not when you travel, not later. Learn, improve, build your skills. Because when opportunity shows up, if you are not ready, you will miss it. Lesson number three: opportunity favors the prepared. Let's go deeper. That diamond in the river did not just become valuable on its own. It was valuable because someone recognized it. Recognition comes from knowledge. Knowledge comes from learning. If you don't grow your mind, you will keep seeing diamonds as ordinary stones. Lesson number four: stop waiting for perfect conditions. A lot of people are waiting for money, waiting for connections, waiting for the right time. But the book is teaching something different. Start where you are. Use what you have and do what you can. Because if you keep waiting, you keep watching others move ahead of you. Lesson five: value creation is everything. Now, this is very important. People who succeed are not just lucky. They create value right where they are. They solve problems, they help people, they improve things around them. And because of that, opportunities start coming to them. Not because they chased it, but because they became valuable. Lesson six: your diamonds may be connected to people. Now, this part is often ignored. Your opportunity may not just be in things, it may be in people, your relationships, your network, your environment. The people around you can open doors you didn't even know existed. But if you don't value people, you might miss that opportunity completely. Now, let's slow down for a second. Imagine living your life always thinking something better is somewhere else, always chasing, always moving, always searching, but never stopping to build what is already in your hands. That's how people waste years. What should you actually do now? Simple. Look again at your life, at your environment, at your skills, at your connections. This time around, don't look casually. Look carefully. Ask yourself, what can I build from here? Because at the end of the day, the difference between people who succeed and people who struggle is not always luck. It is awareness, it is preparation, and it is action where they are. My name is Joy Nkiruka Chukunonye, and I read so you stop thinking small. If this series is opening your eyes, subscribe because the next videos will take this even deeper. We'll be diving deeper. Thank you very much for your time.